Selamat petang kepada Faiz. Hari ini saya membentangkan tentang automatic chicken feeder. Nama saya adalah Qalida Amani, 20 DDT 23F 1016.
Okay, for part introduction, poultry farming is important. It provide food and support the economy. Many people are starting chicken breeding business. Some have more than 5,000 chicken, while others have fewer than 2,000. Feeding chicken is an important part of poultry farming. Farmers can feed them manually or automatically. Manual feeding means filling food containers by hand. Farmers must watch over the food supply constantly. This method takes a lot of time and wastes food. It also requires a lot of attention. Automatic chicken feeders help solve these problems. They use modern technology like the IoT things. These feeders make feeding chickens very easier. They save food and also reduce waste. They also help farmers manage their business better. This report explains how automatic chicken feeders work, and it shows why they are useful for poultry farming. For problem identification, so first, feed wastage. It is hard to control the exact amount of food. This leads to waste and higher costs. Study shows that waste food make up about 10% of farming expense. So second, which is manual feeding, takes a lot of time. Farmer must put in a lot of effort, especially on farm with 1,000 of chicken. So lastly is uneven feeding food. It's not spread evenly. This can harm the health and growth of chicken. So for purpose IoT solution, concept of this solution is the IoT-based automatic chicken feeder help solve common problem in poultry farming. So it feeds chickens at a right time and a right amount. So this makes feeding more efficient. Also, it's reduced for manual work. So farmers do not have to refill food containers by hand. So it prevents wastage by controlling the amount of food given. The system can also track how much feed is used. Also, it sends real-time updates to farmer. So this helps farmer manage resource better and spot problems early. So this is a prototype illustration. So untuk equipment dia ialah we using Arduino, jumper wire, AI sensor, servo motor, 220 care resistor, breadboard and red LED. So the reason why I choose this, which is untuk mengelakkan pemberian makanan yang berlebihan, dan juga dia akan automatik memberi makanan tanpa campur tangan pekerja lah. So we going to how it works. So macam mana dia berfungsi. Kami menggunakan sensor AIR. Okay, apabila ayam tu dah pergi ke tempat makanan tu, sensor tu akan menghantar isyarat tu akan hantar ke Arduino tersebut. So function untuk servo adalah servo dia akan pusing 90 darjah, which is dia akan buka lah penutup kecil untuk melepaskan makanan tu lah. And beberapa saat kemudian, servo tu berpusing balik ke 0 darjah untuk menutup semula penutup tersebut. So fungsi untuk LED pula, LED dia akan menyala semasa makanan tu telah diberikan, dan juga LED akan padam apabila servo itu kembali ke posisi awal. So and kami juga menggunakan notifikasi, which is we use Telegram. So selepas makanan diberikan kepada ayam, sistem akan secara automatik menghantar mesej ke Telegram sebagai memberitahu yang bahawa makanan tu telah diberikan kepada ayam. So ini untuk function dia, which is untuk pemantauan jarak jauh, supaya tahulah ayam tu dah diberi makan ke apakah, so tanpa kita ada di sana lah. So we can detect from Telegram. So this is function at all.
Ini adalah coding yang saya buat. Kami menggunakan Telegram untuk mengetahui lah makanan itu dah disediakan ke ataupun dah dihantar dan makanan itu dah habis. Itulah maksudnya. So this is the picture of 3D chicken feeder. So semua dia punya peralatan tu dia masuk ke dalam lah, and then the food dia masuk dekat lubang and keluarlah dia punya segala makanan tu. So dia keluar secara serentak. Ya, itulah dia punya explanation about this photo. For challenges and constraints, first we go to problem when using an automatic chicken feeder. First, which is high cost at the start. This is because buying IoT device sensor or other part can be very expensive, especially for small farmers. Second, which is poor infrastructure. Farmers in remote areas may not have strong electricity or internet. Second, which is a need for regularly maintenance. So feeders need regular checkups to fix the sensor, motors or software. And lastly is cyber security risk. So smart feeders collect data and can be hacked if not protected. So we go into ethical, environmental and sustainability point. First we go which is animal health and welfare. This is because feeder must give the right amount of food to keep chicken healthy. So second, which is e-waste concern. Using electronic can create electronic waste. Third, energy use. So feeders that runs on electronic may use a lot of power. And lastly, which is making it last and affordable. So automatization should be affordable for all type of farms, big or small. Expected outcome. First, we go to benefits of the proposed solution. First, better food control. This is because the feeders give the right amount of food, reducing waste and saving money. Second, which is save time and effort. So farmer don't need a double check or refill food containers manually all the time. Second, healthier chicken. Regular feeding ensures chicken get the right nutrition and also helping them to grow up better. And lastly, smart monitoring. Farmers can track feeding data, adjust and improve their farm efficiency. So second, which is challenges and solution. They have 4, which is first, sensor accuracy for detecting feed levels. So which is the feeder might give the wrong amount of food if the sensor doesn't work correctly. So second, which is Wi-Fi connection issue, which is if the internet is slow, the feeder might not send update or work properly. Second, which is power supply problem. So the feeder might stop working during a power cut. So lastly, which is temperature and weather coordination. Extreme temperature might be affect the feeder's component, also making them less efficient or causing breakdowns. Conclusion: automatic chicken feeders are a big help for poultry farmers. They solve problems like wasting food, high workloads, and uneven feeding. By using IoT technology, these feeders help farmers work faster, save money, and take better care of their chickens. Even though there are some problems like high cost, poor internet, or lack of skills, the benefits are worth it. These feeders save time, reduce food waste, and make the farm more productive. With the right training and support, more farmers can start using this technology. In the future, automatic feeders will be even more important. They will help farmers grow their business and meet the rising demand for food in a smart and sustainable way. Ini adalah sumber rujukan yang telah saya jumpa. Terdapat 3 sumber rujukan, iaitu semuanya dari internet.